We're making cơm gà. This Vietnamese chicken and rice is way better than Hainan chicken. This sauce right here, it's what makes a big difference. This is a ginger fish sauce. Look how juicy and tender this chicken is. And the chicken skin is yellow and crisp. Woo! Damn, that was good. Gotta get in some rice. This rice is so flavorful, so aromatic. All right, I got a whole free-range chicken. Ginger, a few shallots, a couple onions, and bruised lemongrass. A couple tablespoons of salt, a few ounces of rock sugar, and a couple tablespoons of chicken granulate. And a little bit of turmeric just to get our chicken yellow. This chicken is actually pretty big, so we're gonna cook this for, say, about 25 minutes. Of course, make sure to skim off any foam that comes to the top. So it's been a little bit over 25 minutes here. I'm gonna turn off the heat, close the lid. This is gonna make the chicken absorb all the flavor and not overcooked. We'll stay in there for another 25-30 minutes. In the meantime, wash your rice until the water runs clear. Let the rice dry out a little bit in the strainer, then we'll toast it and season it. All right, let's toast and season our rice. A little bit of oil. Usually I use chicken fat to make this oil, but this chicken has no fat. Minced garlic, minced ginger. Brown this up a little bit. And in goes our rice. And we'll season this with a little bit of chicken granulate. And we'll make our rice yellow with some turmeric. We are not going to season this with any salt because our chicken broth is already seasoned with salt. Stir fry this until it's all a little bit toasty. It's dried out of water. Then we get our chicken broth from over here. So while we're waiting for our rice to cook, let's make our ginger fish sauce. Of course, ginger fish sauce, you need ginger, lots of ginger. A few garlic cloves. And just one chili since our ginger is already spicy, right? We got our finely minced garlic, ginger, and chili here. 7 tablespoons of sugar. Half a lime. Mix this up a little bit. And in goes our fish sauce. For this ginger fish sauce, you kind of have to like taste and go along with it. More sugar or more fish sauce. What I like to do is add just a little bit more water just to dilute the saltiness a little bit. So this is the consistency that you should get. Now we'll drop this chicken in ice bath. This is gonna make our skin crispy and shiny.